I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Desi Tambaku. First, carefully select mature tobacco leaves, ideally when they begin to show a subtle yellowing around their edges. You can harvest them individually or by cutting the entire stalk. After harvesting, it is crucial to air dry these leaves in a shaded, well-ventilated spot for about 4 to 8 weeks, ensuring they are free from pests. Next, we move to curing, a vital step that transforms the leaves. Air curing involves hanging tobacco in well-ventilated barns for 4 to 8 weeks, resulting in a bold, low-sugar, high-nicotine product. Alternatively, sun curing dries leaves uncovered, producing a milder, low-sugar tobacco. This process changes the leaf color from green to yellow, then to a rich brown, developing its unique characteristics. Following curing, fermentation is key to refining the tobacco's flavor. Leaves are piled, generating heat that helps remove ammonia and other impurities. Maintaining temperatures between 95 and 120 degrees Fahrenheit is important. This natural process, lasting several weeks, significantly reduces harshness and develops a rich aroma. For Desi Tambaku, jaggery or gur, and a blend of aromatic spices are often mixed in to create its distinctive taste. Finally, we prepare the tambaku for enjoyment. The fermented leaves are ground or pounded into a fine, consistent texture, ensuring all thick stems are removed. For traditional Desi Tambaku, slaked lime, known as tuna, is often mixed in to enhance the experience. Once prepared, it is essential to store your homemade tambaku in an airtight container to maintain its freshness and distinct flavor for an extended period.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.